guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, today I'm just template, just customize this YouTube thumbnail. I'm just typing top 10. Okay, I'm just delete this. Okay, and I'm just remove this text, and the theme is okay. I'm just typing top singer. Okay, top singer, TOP and top singer. So guys, I'm just input image, and this template is just zoom out, and I'm using font 150. Okay, and just I'm input all singer photos. Okay, so guys, now finishing this line, and I'm trying to top 5 singer, just one thumbnail. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, so subscribe our channel. So goodbye, see you